Whoever said that the rough and tough terrain of the Northeast is not suitable for a car rally should take a look at this recent rally at Dimapur's Northeast Agri Expo site at 4th Mile, wherein 80 riders representing Nagaland, Assam and Meghalaya came in their colorful cars to compete in 3 categories of competition: 1000 cc, above 1000 cc and SUV. They braved not only the terrain but also the heat and rain with a never say die attitude. One car overturned, but no one gave up without a fight. Sponsored by Okuso Toyota and supported by Airtel and Dimapur's Youth and Village Council, the event is also important as it shows that MNCs and private companies are gradually coming in to organize events in the Northeast. Mr. Hokaga Yepto of Toyota gave away prizes to the winners. The youth of Guwahati have taken up cudgels to save their beautiful Deepor Bill Lake, the only Ramsar site in Assam, which is hardly a few kilometers away from their city and is a favorite picnic cum boating spot for many. Recently, tons of fishes were found dead and floating over the waters. Alarmed by the sight, authorities rushed in the pollution checking team, who declared discarding of industrial wastes and sewerage from the drains into the waters as the main reasons which had led to depletion in the ecosystem and drastic fall in the oxygen levels of the water body. Environmentalists are apprehensive that the Beel might have become a death trap for migratory birds which fly in from Siberia and Australia every year. Already the numbers of birds coming in have reduced over the years.
दीपर बिल में जो मछलियाँ मर रही है ये एक बहुत ही डिस्टर्बिंग डेवलपमेंट है, क्योंकि ये जो बिल है ये हमारे सिटी के बीचों बीच है और एक हमारे सिटी के लिए एक ब्रीडर है जहाँ से हमको शुद्ध वातावरण के लिए वहाँ से बहुत ज़रूरी है उसकी सर्वाइवल। और अभी सीज़न आ रही है, हमारी यहाँ माइग्रेटरी बर्ड जाते हैं हर साल, वो आने वाले हैं, तो ये जो मछली मरने के कारण है ये बहुत जल्दी जानना, उसको जल्दी से सॉल्व करना जरूरी है।
Artisans and headgear makers of Manipur bonded together in an enjoyable cum educative 10-day-long workshop on making of headgears and dresses of Manipur at state capital Imphal Sagolband area. Organized by the Tribal Museum and Research Center of Imphal under the aegis of Central Government's Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya of Bhopal. The workshop brought together 26 different communities, including Nagas, Meiteis and Kukis, who made and displayed traditional headgears out of cane, multicolored items, wool, etc. The participants and organizers both felt closeness with one another and said that this kind of interaction would strengthen bonds of unity in the state.
अखोई किसी ngasi ki sigumbasi अखोई uraga अखोई से यामना नुंगाए हाइबदी जाति पिक्रसु जावरसु अखोई सु कल्चरल लेये हाइबसी आइडेंटिफाई तौबगी अखोई न उद्रिबा मयाम से सु ngasi दगी उए अदुना सिगुmbasi असिना अखोई इचिन इनाव मयाम मणिपुर दा लेरिबा जिंगमी औरसु तम्मी औरसु कल्चरल की असि उरगा सिना अखोई बुबिस हाइबसी सु पुरकनी हाइना थाजे अदुगा सिगुम्बा कल्चरल की सिगुम्बा आइटम्स करी करी बुथोरगा सुमाइना दौबिसी कोनसु मु बुथोक हनिंगे अदुगा सी बुथोक बिरिबा अखोई की डायरेक्टर हाइबा तारे माबुसु याम थागतली
when people belonging to different communities comes together and made their cultural objects which are their cultural identity. They find some kind of similarity between each other, and this is really useful so far as my views are concerned. I feel that this can bring harmony in between or among the different communities of Manipur.
A musical extravaganza to promote peace in the Northeast was held in Guwahati's Chandmari Engineering Ground on the 19th of October. The event witnessed some of Assam's most renowned singers rendering a variety of songs, from folk, to rock, numbers of Assam's pride, late Shri Bhupen Hazarika. Many upcoming artists of the state too participated with their performances. Singers wholeheartedly spread messages of peace and the need for harmony in the state, region and country through their songs.
We the musicians, all the artists, the actors, we thought being only for doing music and doing shows and live shows and being with them, we think we also have some responsibility for the society. So उस सोच ये चीज़ सोच के हम लोग सब musicians हम लोग एक साथ आके last year we have started Music for Peace, just to give a message to the public, to the world कि शांति से रहिए, be in peace. And now it's very sad कि a beautiful place like Assam and Northeast, अभी जहाँ भी आप देखिए, आप सुबह newspaper पढ़िए, दूसरा news नहीं कि यहाँ पे trouble, वहाँ पे trouble. Why? We are all brothers and sisters. We live together.
The Music for Peace, আমি আচলতে সংগীতৰ জৰিয়তে শান্তি বিচাৰিছোঁ। আচলতে শান্তি আহিবনে নাই নাজানো, কিন্তু আমি প্ৰয়াস কৰিছোঁ কাৰণ আন বহুতো প্ৰচেষ্টা হাতত ল'ব পাৰি, কিন্তু মোৰ বোধেৰে মিউজিকেই সকলোতকৈ উত্তম পথ শান্তি অনাৰ বাবে।